To show us how this works, synchronizing video playback with media controllers, I'd like to invite Beth Dakin to join me on stage.
So I was inspired to create this demo by this beautiful video. This is a video created by a photographer named Joe Capra. He went to Iceland during the time of year when the sun doesn't set for a bunch of days, and he took all of these photographs and then made this beautiful stop motion video. So this is his webpage where he has the video, and I made my own little mock-up of it for the purposes of this demo. Okay, so I wanted to create a really cool tile effect with this video. So in your slides, you were showing how to sync up 2 videos, but for this demo, I wanted to sync up 4 videos.
Whoa, wow. So you're telling me you're about to sync 4 videos on this webpage?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is happening.
I'm really excited.
It's going to be awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
And then you're going to do some cool effects with it?
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
So this looks like one video here in my page, but it's actually 4. So I have 4 different video elements, each in its own div. I have a different version where I put a border around the div just so you can see that. So I have 4 divs here, and they each are clipping out the video, a portion of the video using overflow hidden, and then they have the video element positioned correctly so that they'll all line up as if it were one video.
I see.
And so since it's lined up as if it was a single video, I want everything to be in sync.
I see. Right.
So let's take a look at the code, because what I have going on right now is not really doing that. So this is what I was
can't wait. I'm
Should
so
we check
excited.
it out?
Yes.
Should we check it out?
I'm really excited.
All right. This is going to be awesome. So let's reload and check it out. They're all in sync.
It looks just like one piece of video.
Yeah,
in the
but they're
webpage.
all in sync. Isn't that awesome?
Wait a second. I thought you were going to say that. I thought you said you were going to show us some really cool tiling effects or something like that.
Well, but this is really cool too. Like they're all in sync.
Wait a minute there. I have to say, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a little disappointed.
All right,
now.
Nikki. All right. I'm just going to do 2 things, okay? Just 2 things.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. First, I'm going to click this button. All right. And then I'm just going to type my name, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ready? B-E-T-H.
Oh, cool.
Like that?
That is way impressive. I'm very impressed.
Do you like it now?
Yeah, totally. That's way better than what I was seeing just the video in the webpage there.
Do you want to see something else?
Sure.
Okay. I'm just going to double click this tile.
Whoa.
Double
What's
click the
happening now?
tile. I'm going to press F now. You want to know what this is?
What's happening here?
All right, so here I'm using an awesome new feature in Safari 6 called CSS filters. And with just one line of CSS, I can apply one of these really cool effects to each of these videos. And so here I'm just randomizing the different filter effects. And as I click on them, a different filter effect is being applied. And when I press F, it's getting a new filter effect for all of the videos.
Cool. So you get to apply a filter with just one line of CSS, basically. Pretty cool.
That's it.
Awesome. So how did you get this to show up and take over the whole screen? That's something I have never seen before.
So I'm glad you asked.
Oh.
I used another awesome new API in Safari 6, a new JavaScript API for taking any element full screen. So this is different than the Safari full screen feature that shipped in Safari Online originally, where I press that button up there to take the whole Safari application full screen. That's like a Safari feature where all of this is just built into the browser, same on every web page. Here I'm taking advantage of this new JavaScript API where I'm fully controlling this full screen experience and the look and behavior of it.
Cool.
So you may notice a few ways in which I customize that experience. So obviously, a few things are pretty obvious. Like I have it so that the video tiles split apart and grow apart when you go into full screen. And I also have it so that the background color changes. And I had all these cool effects. These hotkeys sort of hooked up to different JavaScript functions to do these different things in CSS. And that's all only in full screen. So if I press those buttons, normally when we are not in full screen, then we would not see those cool effects.
I see.
And another thing is that you may have seen all of those elements on the page are flying off in different directions when we go in and out of full screen. And then they fly back on as well.
So you're saying that that's not the default behavior for the web page elements to fly off in different directions?
No, that's totally customized.
Okay, great. Cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Beth,
Thank
for showing
you.
that to us. So Beth has conveniently brought me